If you are a office assistant or working in an organization where you have to write different kinds of emails and respond professionally to different clients, then you have to write it, and you must have the capabilities of writing professionally and very good communication skills in English and other languages. So it's a difficult task, but there are different kinds of AI application that can help us to speed up this process and write a professional email for us. So one of those email assistant uh, is AI email writer. AI email writer, it is a Grammarly tool which use two-step process to write professional email for you. So this is the URL from where you can access it. And in the first step, you have to write the name of the group or the person to which you are going to write an email. And in the second step, you have to write briefly the content of the email, that what you want to ask this AI tool to write professional email for you. So I have dropped a simple content uh, to save the time. I'm going to copy paste it over here and asking that we generate an email, a response email asking that we agree to the TOR mentioned in the project, but we are interested to have a face-to-face meeting to brainstorm on the idea and reach some conclusion. So I wrote this content, and I don't care about the spelling in the grammar, but this AI tool, the email writer, which is a Grammarly application, it will drop me a professional email, create email, and you will see that it has created this email by setting a subject, then this is the recipient, and this is the content professionally designed. And I will just copy this content from here and will come in paste over here, will shape this subject from here to here, and then I will send it. So it has made our process easier, quicker, and the email generated is a professional one. Here, this AI email writer will not only help you to write your email, but it can also help you to respond to the email received very quickly. So, for example, if I have a number of emails which are received, and I'm going to respond to this email. So, responding, I'm going to the this tool again and going to refresh it to write a response email to this one. So for example, this response was supposed to Mary, and I'm going to continue. And here I have taken the contents of that email and have composed a brief uh, content. In this email, the client has asked me for recommendation of appropriate journal for a number of research paper which has been shared in this email. And in my response, I'm recommending two journal expert system with application and knowledge based system, and asking this AI email writer to generate a formal email with this kind of recommendation. So here you can see that the title journal recommendation for the research paper, and here they have mentioned that for the EI index general expert system with the application is recommended, and for the ECI which you are interesting, I'm recommending with knowledge based system. So just copy paste this one and go and then reply to this email, and this will make your process easier, quicker. So this is the AI tool that can expedite your process of writing professional emails and make the communication easier for you. This is the online version of this email writer, and you can download the Grammarly, and once you download it, then you can play a lot of other and a number of other ways in your social media account and in your email client. So in the following video tutorial, we will discuss that how we can download it and how we can integrate it to our social media network and our email client to make our communication easier, faster, and professional. Thank you.